This is the Encore Panoramic Suite. So first we've got the bathroom, a full shower, some naked people, bathtub, 2 sinks, we get our own splash zones, stool, bathrobes, old school phone, toilet, mirror in the hallway, closet, drawers, mirrors, extra blankets, ironing board, safe. And as we come into the room, we've got like a full snack bar, all kinds of stuff, and different kids, snacks, candy, glasses, creepy face, drawers inside of here. We've got a fridge, but it's a mini bar. It is Modelo time. Then we've got our TV, bed. Got some kind of, oh, okay, control panel, USB outlets, phone. Yay, outlets on both sides. That's exciting. We've got a living room. So we've got a desk, couch, a view of down. So we've got a view of Resorts World. We've got the curtains closing around us.